Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the every function of an array. So every function is used to check a particular test on each and every element of an array. So if each and every element of an array passes that particular test, then it will return the true value, else it will return the false value. So let's see one example. I will just create one array over here. Constant array equals to 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is the array that I have taken over here. And if you see the every method over here, so this every function will take a callback function as an input parameter, which will be taking three input variables: value, index, and a array itself. So this will be a predicate function where we will be applying a particular formula to it or applying a particular function to it. So let's create a function that will check the values are even or not. So let me just create a function is even, which will take value, index, and array as an input parameter, and we'll be just checking if that value modulo of 2 equal to 0, and we will return that value. So we are checking if that particular value is divisible by 2 and the modulus or the remainder is 0, then that particular is a even value, and we will use this function as a callback function in our every function. So I'll just use constant result equals to array dot every, and inside this we need to pass the callback function, that is easy one. And let's print this as well, console.log result. Okay, so in this every function we are just passing the callback function, which is this particular function which is checking the values even or not. So let's run this, and here you can see that we are getting false as we have 3 over here. If I change it to any other value, that is 12, then we should be getting true over here. That means our array is even. All the elements in an array is even. If there is any element which is not matching the particular logic that we have passed, then it will return a false value. We can achieve this using the arrow functions as well. So we can get the same thing using the arrow function just to check if all the values are odd or not. Constant odd equals to array dot every will take the value with the arrow function, and we will return value modulo of 2 not equal to 0, and we will print this odd over here. Let's run this, and here you can see that we are getting false. So that means this particular array is even, right? All the elements are even. So let me just change here 1, 3, 5. And let's print this, and here you can see that we are getting true over here. So that means this particular every function has been executed on each of the elements, and we are getting the result over here. So this way we can use the every function of an array in JavaScript. So that's it in this quick video of JS Buffer. I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.